Well, we've reached that time of year, mid-July, when I start thinking about what am I going to plant this fall. Now, I know that sounds funny. We're midsummer, and a lot of things that we have planted and worked on through our spring and summer garden are still going. But every year, we always have to think ahead because here in literally 2 weeks, it's hard to imagine that here in 2 weeks, we'll start thinking about things we'll plant in August that will go ahead and take us through the end of the year, get us through fall. And as a market gardener, we'll always have that succession planting where we move on to the next thing because we do have customers and we want to be able to meet their needs. We have those people who love our spring and summer things that we grow, the tomatoes, the onions, the peppers, cucumbers, things along those lines. But then we do also have a group of customers who love the lettuces, the salads, the Swiss chard. We'll be able to go back into cooler weather plants. Um, we'll go back with radishes. We'll go back with carrots. So as we move into that season, it's that time of year when, first of all, we have to make sure we have the seeds. They're ordered and ready to go because literally 2 to 3 weeks from now, we'll start that process of the seed trays, our direct seeding, maybe even going back with a few type of beans where we'll direct seed those, definitely direct seed those carrots and onions. So when you get to this time of year, do you have your plan laid out on how you will have your fall garden and what you'll plant? So that's one of the things we try to do here at Whirlwind Family Farm is be able to remind you and remind ourselves to think about, okay, what is our plan and how are we going to do it? Because we've done this enough years now where it starts to just come to our mind, okay, this is what's going to have to be prepped and this is what's going to have to be ready for the new year, or excuse me, for the new season coming up, which is fall. And that's something, even if you're a small backyard gardener and you like to have that sustainable garden that's going to have fresh vegetables for your family almost year round, this is a time of year where you start thinking about fall planting. Amazing as it seems, mid-July, it's hot, but that planting pays off. So when you do get to that season, you have ample of whatever it is that you like. And that applies to large gardens and small backyard gardens, and even those of you who raise things in containers. And I've said this many, many times, you can raise many things. Even if you're in an apartment complex and you have a balcony, you can raise things in containers. So give it that thought. Do I want to plant some carrots? Do I want to plant radishes, those different types of salad mixes? And in a small backyard setting for your family, or maybe you're providing a little bit for some of the neighbors around you, doesn't take a lot of space and something you can start to do as we move into that season. So think about it. Think about those seeds, where you order them, where you get them, and it'll pay dividends for you as we move forward. So thanks again for checking out Whirlwind Family Farm. We always appreciate your time. Today I'm out on the trail, just a different setting. Sometimes I like to just go out, take a walk on our trail on our land. It's just a nice, refreshing time because I do spend so much time in the market garden. It's just a chance to get away and spend that time. Thanks again. It means a lot. We appreciate when you like, subscribe, hit the bell for notification, and thanks for your time. Blessings over you, your family, your garden, and think about that fall planting. It's coming soon. I'm Jeff with Whirlwind Family Farm.